I'm Nathan, a volunteer from Austin Pets Alive. This is Mabel, one of the many dogs up for adoption. I'm going to be the Austin Pets Alive champion at the Mama Foo's Chili for Charity Challenge on January 20th, where I'll be eating some of the hottest chilies in the world. If I succeed, Mama Foo's is going to donate $5,000 to Austin Pets Alive. I'm going to be in a lot of pain, so come out and watch me suffer, or just come out and support. It'd be greatly appreciated. You can help Austin Pets Alive by coming out on January 20th from 1 to 3 at the Mama Foo's South Park Meadows location. We're going to have dogs for adoption, and a portion of proceeds from the new Spice Market menu will benefit Austin Pets Alive as well. You can go to charities.com for details, and hopefully Mabel and I will see you out there.